everyone. So, in this subtopic, we'll be talking about the scope of becoming a growth manager. See, when I have started the course, I have talked about the need, importance in everything. But it is very much important to know the scope as well. Like, you want to be a growth manager, but आपको यही नहीं पता कि आपके क्या क्या स्कोप है, यानी कि आप कहाँ जॉब कर सकते हो, क्या क्या आपको मिल सकता है एज अ ग्रोथ मैनेजर. Then obviously the course is incomplete without the scope. So without any further ado, let's just talk about the scope of becoming a growth manager. So let's start with the first scope. So the first scope I have taken is says that a recent Google trend analysis for growth of product manager shows a 420% increase in average monthly interest over the last 5 years. So पॉइंट नंबर 1 सेज दैट कि लास्ट 5 ईयर में 420% इंक्रीज देखी गई है एवरेज मंथली सैलरी और एवरेज मंथली इंटरेस्ट ग्रोथ मैनेजर के. यानी कि अगर हम ग्रोथ मैनेजर के स्कोप की बात करें तो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्कोप बिकॉज 420% इंक्रीज इज अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ इंक्रीज. और अगर इतनी इंक्रीज किसी की सैलरी में है दैट मीन्स डिमांड भी मार्केट में काफ़ी अच्छी होगी ग्रोथ मैनेजर्स की. So if you're planning to be a growth manager, then you can take this into consideration that okay, due to Google Trends or because of Google Trends, you can just find it out that it is required. Like growth, the role of growth manager is required in many organization and they are paying very good amount of salary. That's why we can see the percentage increase which is 420 in average monthly interest over the last 5 year. यानी कि ओवर द लास्ट 5 ईयर ही ज़्यादा इंक्रीज हुई है डिमांड ग्रोथ मैनेजर्स की और उनकी सैलरी और इंटरेस्ट में भी काफ़ी अच्छा इंक्रीज आया है. सो यू कैन गो फॉर इट. पॉइंट नंबर 2 which says that basically the growth manager has to work for 3 main components. Now what are these 3 main components? Let's discuss. So the first component is to define the company's growth plan or growth objective. So if we talk about the role of a growth manager, that is the main role, right? You have to define the company's growth plan and growth objective. That means you are a person who will lead the management. Second point, to coordinate and execute growth programs. That means you will be the person who will be leading a team or a department in order to go for a growth management programs, because you will be the person who will responsible for the growth of the organization. Then third, to optimize the revenue funnel. So we have talked about the funnel, right? So funnel is something which gives a clarity between 4 stages, that is starting, beginning, implementation, action, everything. So you will be the person who will responsible for optimizing the revenue funnel, that is profit funnel. See, growth manager is very much responsible person, and as a growth manager you have to work towards the increasement of the profit and revenue of the company. So here is a scope for you. You can become a very important part of the organization and can help the organization in achieving the success and goals of organizational. It can be organizational goal as well as individual goals, because when we talk about organizational goals, the once organizational goals are achieved, individual goals are automatically achieved. So these 3 components are very much important as a growth manager, and these provides a scope for being a growth manager. Let's talk about point number 3 in scope for becoming a growth manager. So point number 3 says that the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, in short known as BLC, stated that management job in general has increased by 8% from 2016 to 2020. BLC also noted that this is about as fast as average of all the companies, all the occupations. So you can see that if we are comparing the job of a growth manager to all other occupations, सबसे ज़्यादा जो increasement हुआ है वो growth manager में हुआ है. That is around 8% of management job has been increased from last 2016 to 2020. So you can see the scope over here. There are a lot of scope. in coming years also, because अभी ये 8% increase हुआ है, it will increase to more percent, 10, 20, 30. See, every company, every organization in the world wants to increase their revenue, wants to increase their profit, and wants growth, right? And as a growth manager, you help the company in achieving all these goals, realistic or unrealistic, but you help them. So they are in need of growth managers like you. So you can see the scope over here, that there are a lot of scope if we talk about the record wise also, because BLC has recorded 8% increase in the management jobs from last 4 to 5 years. So you can see the scope over here and you can just prepare yourself accordingly. Never lose the hope, because growth manager are here to stay. Point number 4. So point number 4 in scope of becoming growth manager says that the growth manager has the chance to be a director of acquisition or retention, senior VP of marketing, CMO, or any other higher order person in the organization. That means you can see the scope over here. As a growth manager, you have a chance to head the organization in the form of CMO, या फिर senior VP of marketing, या फिर director of acquisition, या फिर director of retention. So you can see the scope over here. So when I am talking about the scope, it is the main point that आप एज ए ग्रोथ मैनेजर स्टार्ट करिए, और बाद में धीरे 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 बाय प्रूविंग दैट यू हैव स्किल सेट, यू हैव टैलेंट एंड यू कैन टेक द कंपनी टू अ नेक्स्ट हायर लेवल, आपको प्रमोशन मिलता रहेगा. एंड वाइल बीइंग प्रमोटिंग यू विल बी द नेक्स्ट हेड पर्सन इन योर पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर. यानी कि जिस भी टीम को या जिस भी डिपार्टमेंट को आप लीड करें, लेट्स सपोज यू आर लीडिंग मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट, देन you can be a senior VP of marketing, you can head the marketing team, but you need to show that what you have, you need to show that you are the person who can take the organization to achieve what the organization wants to achieve. You need to work on the sales funnel, revenue funnel. उनको दिखाना होगा that you got the growth prospectus with you. You want that company should grow, and with respect to company, every individual should grow, and you need to show them that you are the person who can unite all the departments in the organization so that they work for the achievement of the target or goal of the organization. So when you prove that you have all these skill set, qualification, experience and exposure, then nobody can stop you from becoming a next person who is heading the organization. So there is a lot of scope. Point number 5, last but not the least, because here we are talking about top 5 scope of becoming a growth manager. So point number 5 says that the growth manager always reports to CEO, the vice president or the project management or the vice president of marketing, which gives him or her a chance to increase the productivity and be the next head of the organization. So in fourth point also we have discussed that growth manager के लिए ये बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी होती है एज अ ग्रोथ मैनेजर कि आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को हेड कर सकते हैं, लीड कर सकते हैं बाय बिकमिंग CEO, बाय बिकमिंग वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ मार्केटिंग, बाय बिकमिंग एनी गुड पोजीशन. सो पॉइंट नंबर 5 उसका एक्सटेंशन है. कैसे बन सकते हैं? पॉइंट नंबर 5 आपको ये बताता है कि जब आप एक ग्रोथ मैनेजर होते हैं तो आप डायरेक्ट अकाउंटेबल होते हैं और रिपोर्ट करते हैं CEO से, जो भी वाइस प्रेसिडेंट होते हैं आपके प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज के उनसे, या फिर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ मार्केटिंग से. तो आपको एक मौका मिलता है कि आप अपनी बेस्ट प्रोडक्टिविटी, बेस्ट स्किल उनके सामने रखें, सो दैट आप नोटिस में आए दैट यू कैन डू दिस वर्क, यू कैन अचीव the organizational goal, you are helping the organizational goal, you have the potential. तो जब आपको एक मौका दिया जाता है, एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दी जाती है टू प्रूव योर पोटेंशियल, तो अगर आप वो कर पाते हैं देन you know that you can be the next person who will be heading the organization. So there are a lot of scope for you to become a higher person in the authority in any organization. बस आपको काम बहुत अच्छे से करना है. You need to show that you have something. You need to show that you are good for the company. आप उनकी कंपनियों को ऊंचाइयों पे ले जाएंगे, ग्रोथ के साथ, रेवेन्यू के साथ, प्रॉफिट के साथ. एंड देयर यू गो, आपको कोई नहीं रोक सकता, एंड यू विल बी द नेक्स्ट टॉप हेड पर्सन इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द स्कोप्स आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट, hoping that they will help you to go for the role of a growth manager.